Welcome to Winner's Bench. The best DeWalt 5-in-1 is probably one of the most versatile and indispensable tools in any DIYer's or professional's arsenal, offering unparalleled adaptability for a wide range of tasks from cutting and sanding to grinding and polishing, making it an essential addition for anyone looking to tackle diverse projects with a single, powerful device. Number 5. JBL Flip 5 Waterproof Portable Bluetooth Speaker. Introducing the JBL Flip 5, a compact and powerful portable speaker. Enjoy your music anywhere, rain or shine, thanks to its waterproof design. Keep the party going all day long with up to 12 hours of continuous playtime. This device is perfect for any adventure, providing endless entertainment. Don't let water stop the music. With its IPX7 waterproof rating, it's built to withstand splashes, rain, and even submersion. Want to take your audio experience to the next level? Connect multiple compatible speakers using Party Boost to create an immersive sound experience. Immerse yourself in rich, high-quality audio. This speaker delivers the signature JBL sound that audiophiles love. Stream your favorite playlists wirelessly with ease. Connect your device via Bluetooth and enjoy seamless audio playback. This speaker is battery-powered, offering you the freedom to take your music wherever you go without being tied to an outlet. What we like. This portable speaker offers an impressive 12 hours of playtime and is IPX7 waterproof. If you're looking for a speaker to take to the beach, pool, or even in the shower, this is the one for you. Its durable design and great sound quality make it a perfect companion for any outdoor adventure. What people say. The DeWalt 5-in-1 is a versatile tool that can be used for a variety of tasks. It is well built and durable, making it a great investment for any homeowner. The tool is easy to use and comes with a variety of attachments that allow you to customize it for your specific needs. Number 4. DANISH Endurance Merino Wool Beanie. Introducing the DANISH Endurance Merino Wool Beanie. Experience unparalleled warmth and comfort during the coldest winter months. Crafted from premium merino wool, this hat offers exceptional softness and breathability. It's designed to keep you cozy without overheating. Whether you're a man or a woman, this versatile beanie is perfect for you. Its classic knit design suits all styles. Don't let the cold stop you. This warm knitted hat is ideal for all your outdoor winter activities, from hiking to simply running errands. Enjoy a hat that's as durable as it is stylish. The high-quality merino wool ensures long-lasting wear and timeless appeal. What we like. This beanie is made from 100% merino wool, offering exceptional warmth and breathability. If you need a hat that keeps you cozy without overheating during winter activities or daily commutes, this is an excellent choice. Its natural odor resistance and soft feel make it ideal for prolonged wear in cold weather. What people say. The DeWalt 5-in-1 has a very good grip and is easy to hold. The tool is very versatile and can be used for multiple tasks. The blade is sharp and cuts through materials easily. Number 3. DeWalt 20V Max 10 Tool Cordless Combo Kit. Introducing the DeWalt 20V Max 10 Tool Combo Kit, your ultimate solution for any project. This comprehensive set includes everything you need to tackle diverse tasks with power and precision. Its compact and lightweight design allows you to work comfortably in tight spaces. The variable speed trigger ensures precise control, making it ideal for delicate surfaces. Changing blades is a breeze with the keyless clamp, allowing for quick and safe adjustments. You can focus on your work without interruption. Illuminate your workspace with the integrated LED work light for improved visibility. Its hands-free design adds extra convenience to your tasks. Experience superior comfort and control with the optimized rubber overmolded grip. It provides excellent balance for extended use. The quick change wheel release enables tool-free changes without the need for a wrench. This feature saves you time and effort on the job. Enjoy the flexibility of a wireless Bluetooth speaker that runs on DeWalt 12V 20V Max * battery packs. Plus, dual cleanup modes offer versatile debris removal options. What we like. This cordless tool combo kit features a compact and lightweight design for easy maneuverability in tight spaces. If you're a professional or a serious DIYer who needs a reliable set of powerful tools for various tasks, this kit is a great investment. The brushless motor technology ensures longer runtimes and increased durability for demanding jobs. What people say. The DeWalt 5-in-1 is a versatile tool that can be used for a variety of tasks. It is well built and durable, making it a great investment for any DIYer or professional. The tool is easy to use and comes with a variety of attachments that allow you to customize it to your needs. Number 2. MOOMSINE Heavy Duty Power Tool Organizer. Tired of searching for your tools? This organizer provides a dedicated space for all your power tools, keeping them in one central location. Save time and effort by having everything readily accessible. Constructed from heavy-duty steel with reinforced joints, this tool shelf is designed to withstand the weight of any power tool. Its robust build ensures long-lasting reliability for your garage. Setting up this organizer is a breeze. With included accessories and clear instructions, you can transform your garage wall into an efficient storage solution in just a few minutes. Featuring a matte spray paint finish and polished surface, it's resistant to rust, corrosion, and scratches. This ensures it remains durable and looks great for decades to come. Looking for a thoughtful gift? This electric tool holder is an excellent choice for Father's Day, Christmas, or birthdays. It's a practical present that any tool enthusiast will appreciate. What we like. This heavy-duty wall mount organizer offers a robust solution for storing multiple cordless drills and batteries. If your garage or workshop is cluttered with tools and you're tired of searching for them, this organizer is a game-changer. Its durable metal construction and simple installation make it perfect for keeping your workspace tidy and efficient. What people say. The DeWalt 5-in-1 is a versatile tool that can be used for a variety of tasks, including cutting, sanding, and grinding. It features a powerful motor that provides excellent performance and durability. The tool is also lightweight and ergonomic, making it comfortable to use for extended periods. Number 1. PROYAMA 42.7 cubic centimeters 5-in-1 multifunctional trimmer. Introducing the PROYAMA 5-in-1 multifunctional trimmer. Tackle any yard task with this powerful, gas-powered tool designed for ultimate versatility. Its EPA-certified 42.7 cubic centimeters engine delivers 2 HP for efficient trimming of even large branches. You can count on it to perform powerfully while minimizing emissions. Forget difficult starts. This trimmer features an upgraded quick start system, making it incredibly easy to get to work without hassle. Extend your reach with adjustable lengths from 8.2 to 11.4 feet. Trim tall limbs and high branches with ease, all from the ground. Designed with you in mind, its ergonomic handle provides a secure and comfortable grip. Enjoy fatigue-free operation, even during extended use. From trimming hedges to cutting brush and pruning trees, this single tool does it all. Experience the convenience and power of this multifunctional trimmer. What we like. This 5-in-1 multifunctional tool is powered by a robust 42.7 cubic centimeters gas engine, capable of tackling various yard tasks. If you're a homeowner with a large property or a professional landscaper who needs a versatile and powerful solution for trimming, cutting, and clearing, this is an ideal choice. Its adjustable length and ergonomic design ensure comfortable and efficient operation for any job. What people say. The DeWalt 5-in-1 is a versatile tool that can be used for a variety of tasks. It is well built and durable, and it comes with a variety of accessories. The tool is easy to use and operate, even for beginners. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.